Ayan guys, for today's video guys ay mag-banana cue tayo. Have a blessed Friday everyone. Thank you so much for watching guys. Ayan. Ito yung lupa natin dito. Tapos lagyan natin ng sugar. Ayan, lagyan natin ilalagay na natin yung banana sa pag-aisa pa. It's too hot. Ayan. Natin natin guys. Yummy. Yummy, yummy. Banana cue, ayan. Ayan na guys, luto na yung banana cue natin. Ayan. Thank you for watching guys. God bless us all and I thank you.